Thought I'd upgrade the bid today for you when we're looking at order of operations. And what we're going to do is we're going to be doing equations that have the 4 different operations as well as brackets in them. And we're going to see if we can apply the rule for order of operations to those sums. Now, gents, order of operations. A lot of teachers will talk to you. They'll use all different kinds of names. BINDUS, BOMDUS, all these other types of terms. Me personally, I like the terms of BINDUS. Now, BINDUS for me is brackets, which look like this. Indices, which you may not have heard of. Indices are things like to the power of 2, which is squared, to the power of 3, which is cubed. Could also be a sign that looks like this, which is your square root sign. Today we won't be looking at any with those in them, gentlemen. Multiplication or division. So we know multiplication. We'll write it in anyway with the multiplication sign, division. Now when we say or, we mean that whichever one comes first, working from left to right. So if a multiplication comes first, working from left to right, then we do the multiplication first. If division comes first, we do the division first. And we have addition and subtraction, which I know you guys are quite familiar with our current concepts. Okay, let's move on because it's important to put this into an actual context of an equation. All right, here's a really easy one. 2 times 3, add 4. Now I'm going to write up top here. I'm going to do this each time. I'm going to write down BINDUS. Now, a lot of different teachers will teach different steps on how to actually work this out. I'm going to show you the way that I prefer, and I might even show you a way that I've seen other teachers do. So we're looking at BINDUS. Let's look for brackets. Any brackets? No, no brackets. Any indices? No indices. Any multiplication or division? Yes, there are. I can see that there is a multiplication here. Now what I now do is I do that one sum. 2 times 3, which is 6. I'm going to write that down at the bottom, and then I'm going to add the rest of the equation on. Can you see there I've got add 4. I'm left with one equation now, 6 add 4, which is an addition and subtraction, and I know that my answer is 10. Great way to work it out. Your sum will progressively get smaller, like an inverted pyramid. Let's move on to the next. Okay, I'm going to show you another way now that some teachers do. I'm still going to write at the top here, BINDUS, so that you can work through it with me. So brackets, no brackets. Any indices, no indices. Multiplication, division. Yes, there is. I can see some multiplication here. Now, some teachers will say write it on the top and cross it out. So 4 times 2 is 8. Cross it out. And then we have 17 take 8 equals 9. There's your answer. So some teachers. The only problem with this, gentlemen, is that when the sum starts to get really hard and we have even more operations put in, it's not easy to keep track of your working. Here's our last one. I'm going to go back to the way I like to do it now, gentlemen. Let's have a quick look again. I'm going to write in this top corner, BINDUS. So we've got brackets, indices, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. So I look up, any brackets? Yes, I do. Here are some brackets here. I write this on the next line. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's write the rest of the sum in. So I've still got 20 take away there and add 1 here. Awesome. Let's keep moving now. Any multiplication or division left? No. Any addition or subtraction? Yes, there is addition and subtraction. Which one do I do first? I work from left to right. So I know that I do this one first. 20 take away 6. So 20 take away 6 is 14. I write that down on the one below, and then I add 1 equals. Left with one sum, 14 plus 1. I can work that out quite easy, and my answer is 15. Okay, here's where I want you to stop the video and try it yourself. I want you to work these out in your diary, gentlemen, and bring these into class so we can discuss them. I'm going to give you a small amount of time, and then you can start playing the video and I'll go through them with you. Okay, let's have a quick look again at these ones. So I'm going to write down this bottom corner here, BINDUS, just so we've got it always in our head. Okay, any brackets in the first one here? No brackets. Any indices? No indices. Multiplication, division? Yes, I do, in the middle. 2 times 3 is 6. Cross it out. So let's add the rest of the sum. Once again, this is like the one we've just done. We need to work from left to right. So 4 add 6 is 10. So we're going to do that one first. Is 10. Take away 1. That is equal to 9. Second one, let's go through them, please. Brackets, indices, no brackets, no indices. Multiplication, division, no multiplication or division. Addition and subtraction, yes, we work left to right. So let's work with this one first. 7 plus 2 is 9. And then we finish off the rest of the sum. We go from left to right, so let's do this one next. 9 take away 6 is 3. Add 3 equals 3 plus 3 is 6. Well done with another one. If you need to re-stop now and go back over the last one and try it again, do that now, gentlemen. Okay, let's do the last one. Any brackets? No. Any indices? No. Any multiplication division? Yes, we do. We have one right here. 10 divided by 2 is 5. We've done that sum. So we've finished with 5 plus 5. One sum left. Let's work it out. Equals 10. Please write down your success criteria, gentlemen. Please remember the BINDUS order. Please remember what each of those letters mean. And please remember the way to work it out. Okay, see you in class, gents. Any other questions? Have those prepared too.